Hi all, this is Garrett, and I'm going to take you through a demo of our Discord ticket extractor. Here you can see the landing page of our wonderful extension created by our wonderful Junie. And it navigates straight to the repo that contains our code. And if we download a zip file, we can go to our downloads and extract all. And here we have our extension. And if I open a terminal, actually I have a terminal that has all the stuff because I was doing this earlier, navigated to. So here you can see I have navigated to the path that contains my code, my extension. Downloads, Discord ticket extractor main, Discord ticket extractor main. You can refactor this a little to be more convenient for yourself. But if I go here and I go npm install, this will install all the things we need to build. Then if I do npm run build, it should build for production, give us a distribution folder, which is where we're going to actually, this right here is what we're going to actually put in for our extension. So if I go to extensions, manage extensions, I go load unpacked. Here it's already navigated to my distribution folder because I was doing this earlier. I select this folder and boom, we have our wonderful Discord conversation extractor. Okay. I'm trying to move this. Okay, there we go. And so if I navigate to, say, just another tab, and I go here, I can see, when I click on my toolbar for extensions, I can click on the extension. You can see I have no transcript open. So I have nothing saved right now. We're at a blank slate. If I go to Discord, I have a couple tickets here that I can get links to. And if I get a link to test 2 right here that we were doing, it automatically saves the conversation. Automatically saves the ticket, which is really, really nice. And you can see it has all the text here. Very, very nice. I can copy all and say put this into ChatGPT. I could go summarize this. And here it'll give us, it gives us the server that is on, the channel, and all the text. And I can get like a easy, quick summary of this. But let's say I don't even want to do that much work, right? Maybe I just want to go over to copy plus prompt and click summarize. Okay, this will give us some additional prompting that we don't even have to put any of the work ourselves. It'll give us this additional prompting that specifies some formatting, and it just makes our life all the more easier, right? Okay, what if I wanted to know how urgent this was? Okay, let's do an urgency check. So these are just all additional prompts that you probably, as a server manager, community manager, you might want to use on a daily basis. And it just saves you time. And see, like right here, our urgency is medium, so maybe this is not something you need to get to immediately. Maybe this can wait a little. So this is just a very nice feature made by our wonderful Junie. And also, what's really nice, it would be if we could, like, I don't know, store multiple tickets. Because how many tickets have I stored at this point? This is like 2 or 3. No, this is the second. I've only done 2 on this one. Okay. This is it. Now I've stored another ticket, and you can see right here, all the ticket data is right here. There's only 5 conversations, and if I do copy all and I put it into ChatGPT, you can see there's only like 5 messages. All right. But where did that other ticket go? like, wouldn't it be annoying if we could never access that again? Maybe we wanted to save that. Well, we have the history feature. When we click on this history icon, it takes us, it creates a new tab with this history window. The history window is really useful. It provides some nice metrics, so it gives us the total amount of messages, total amount of users, the most active server that we've been getting tickets from, and we can go to these tickets that we've had, and we can look through them and look. And this is my current ticket. It has all 5 conversations. This is my previous ticket with all however many conversations there were or messages there were. I think 11. Yeah. And this is very, very nice for storage of like a lot of stuff. Yeah, let's get some more tickets going here. There we go. Okay, we're extracting some more tickets, more tickets. You see, okay, we only have like, we don't barely have any text in that one. Okay, we have some text in this one. Here, I've done this one already, but it's fine actually. Okay, well, we have this new tab. We have this new, these new tickets that we saved, and you can see here, they're all saved, and we can access all of them. Now maybe I want to see all of them that come from today. Well, none of them were made today. What about this week? None of them were made this week. They're all before that. I believe the time doesn't do the time that you save it. It does the time that it occurred. So in this case, it's April 30th. Or April 25th for some of these. And if I go just all time, I can also search through it. I can do some queries. And like, let's say I want to see where are the times where Garrett is mentioned, or times when I'm mentioned. Well, let's see. Okay. One, you could see like my username will come up. And you could see some of the embarrassing things that I wrote, calling myself very dumb with a poor attention span. Well, okay, maybe this gives me some insight into Garrett4234. Maybe not. Well, I can also copy all of these results. Let's see. What happens if I copy all of these results? This thing is really getting in the way. Okay, let's go to ChatGPT. Let's see what chat says. Alright, so it copies all of the instances where Garrett is mentioned, and it includes the server. So I can ask, okay, what if I search Garrett4234? I want to know what do people think of this guy? Okay, this would be an interesting way to go about it. And it provides some nice searching utility. Okay. So if we now, okay, this is really embarrassing for me, I think, right? Because like there's some very negative things about my character written by myself, of course, that I'm very dumb and have a poor attention span. And what if I don't want this to be shared in the world anymore, you know? What if I don't want to ever see this again? Well, I can just delete it. It's gone. It's gone forever. That ticket's gone. You can't see it anymore. If I go back here, you could see we went from 4 tickets to 3. And nobody will ever know that I'm dumb and have a poor attention span. Very useful for me. Okay, what if I want to make sure that nobody knows that I'm dumb and have a poor attention span, and I don't have the time to go through and check if I got every single instance? Well, I could just clear all, and now we don't have any tickets, and my reputation is secure. I can also do some clearing through the sidebar here, which is clear all data. It's very nice. But yeah, I believe that's most of the utility of our extractor. I hope you enjoyed the demo, and I hope you give it a shot. All right, peace out.